I have been self-centered, self-destructive, and a sinner. I hope one day at this point in time you will see I was trying to grow. There are no rules for us together. You fly away, I'm on your feathers. I hope that I don't judge you, or you don't judge me too. Little bird, life ain't perfect, but you are to me. Even though you grow and disagree when all is done, I hope we make amends. Little bird, let me sing for you, you sing for me. You added branches to my family tree, and you fill me full of life.